People have long produced a range of mechanical devices and machines, from the simplest levers and pendulums to more complex clockworks. These devices have historically facilitated the advancement of technology. Inventors have been mulling just as long over the idea of constructing a device which would work forever once it was started. Intrigued by such an idea, many scientists and laymen have experimented with perpetual motion machines since the Middle Ages. Numerous devices have been built which attempted to harness the surplus energy of some kind of rotating or falling body. Despite the determined attempts, a perpetual motion machine could not be created, and the seemingly successful ones turned out to be hoaxes, as the motion of these machines was aided from the outside. It took some time to understand why all the attempts had failed. By the 19th century, physicists had established the first law of thermodynamics, which states that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant, and that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. The perpetual motion machine, however, would violate this law, as it would produce infinite energy output from low energy input. The only way it could move forever and overcome friction between its parts and the air. Nevertheless, some people are still trying to build machines like this to solve all the world's energy problems. But current scientific views hold that the invention of a perpetual motion machine remains nothing more than a utopian dream.